How to download and install Wayfair app. First of all, open the Play Store on your device and tap on the source button at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the source bar at the top, type Wayfair and press the source icon. You will see the official Wayfair app appear in the results developed by Wayfair LLC, so make sure it's the correct one. Next, tap on the install button. The download will begin and it might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, tap on open to launch the app for the first time. But if the app is not available in your country, you can download a third-party app called APK which works just like the Play Store. In the source bar, type Wayfair and tap on the app, then tap on the install button. This will take a few moments to download and install. After that, tap on open. When the app opens, you will be greeted with the Wayfair home screen showcasing thousands of products. You can browse through categories, check daily deals, and use the search feature to find specific items quickly. To get the best experience, tap on sign in or create account. By signing in, you can save your favorite items, track your orders, and receive personalized recommendations based on your style preferences. Now you know how to download and install the Wayfair app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more shopping tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.